I really mainly hit the panini station when there's nice grilled chicken out. So I'll get some grilled chicken, throw that in there. If there's guac, that's a huge plus, very rare though. So usually I'll just go straight to the jalapenos, sprinkle plenty of cheese on there, and then wrap that puppy up, side of salsa, a little cayenne pepper in the salsa to spice it up.
I like to do the grilled cheese situation, so we do like the white cheddar, we gotta do the tomatoes, that's the key, and then some spinach maybe.
Ooh, panini recipe? You gotta get pesto, slice of cheddar, tomato, cook up some onions on the panini press, and then throw those on there. Slice of ham, slice of turkey. It's as easy as that.
Hero bread with pesto, cheddar cheese, mushrooms, spinach, tomato.
Turkey, bacon, lettuce, cheese, mayo.
Turkey, cheddar cheese, salsa, onion, spinach.
Spinach, quinoa, black beans, cheese, microwave, take it out, sriracha, dollop of sour cream.
So you gotta go wheat bread. Then you're gonna throw in 2 pieces of cheese. You go American or Swiss, depending on the mood. After that, spinach, tomatoes, pesto. Throw it on the panini until it's good. You have to make sure the cheese is melted. Once the cheese is melted, you're in business.